What is it that you really enjoy about making these bouquets?
It's calming. If you look around, it's crazy how beautiful weeds can be. I think the most special part is just you being aware of what flowers are growing right in front of you that you never noticed before. I love that our son can help us pick flowers. It's really cute.
So if I was going to make one of these, what would I look for?
I just look for something green and fluffy for like the edges, and then some flowers for pop of color. There's no wrong way to do it.
Is there a reason that you don't buy your flowers at the grocery store?
To me, it feels a lot better environmentally than buying it at a grocery store. You can just walk around the neighborhood and get free flowers.
That's true.
It helps to stop and slow down your pace and not think about other tedious things. You're just thinking about the flowers.
If you could do this every day, would you do this every day?
I almost do. I would do this every day if I could.
Among the many benefits of having these around the house, it's just pleasing to look at.
Like you. I appreciate you appreciating it.
I appreciate you making it.